What's up everyone, Mandy here from On The Grow, and today we have a shorter experiment for you guys using a new crop in our space called buckwheat. So this is our second go at buckwheat, and we decided to do it on a single tray so that way we can try to get better results than we did our first time, which this time I think we did a great job. Now let's talk about what we did for this experiment. As I said before, we did this on a single tray and we did it bottom watering. We used regular filtered water, and for the growing medium we used coco coir. What we did first was we filled our main tray up about 3/4 of the way with coconut coir, and then we seeded it with 90 grams of the buckwheat seed that we soaked for 12 hours. We then put a thin layer of coco coir over the seed so that way whenever it starts to grow, it can push off those seed holes. So once we seeded the tray, we had a 5-day blackout period. 4 of those were weighted with a 15-pound paver, and the last day was just a normal blackout with a tray that was reversed on top. As you can tell, we got really great results from that, and we barely got any seed holes on this. And as for the height, it's a really great height. So what would we have done differently about this test? I think we could have harvested it 2 days ago. It's currently on day 12, and I think we could have harvested on day 10. So that's really all that we would change about this experiment. Our growth looks awesome, the coloration looks awesome, and the fact that we were able to get so many seed holes off of this is even more awesome. So if you like this experiment, please give it a thumbs up. If you dislike it, give it a thumbs down. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below, and we'll get back to those as soon as we possibly can. We'll also be doing a bigger experiment with this soon, so stay tuned for that. And if you'd like to subscribe to us, please do. And if you want to follow us on our Instagram, we are at On The Grow Farms. Thank you so much and enjoy my awkwardness.